Thank you for joining us at Sleek with Stern. This is Brittany, Architectural Sales Manager here at Stern Engineering.
And I'm Claudio Perl, Business Development Director here at Stern Engineering.
We'll be posting top topics and questions we receive from architects and designers about Stern's touchless sanitary fixtures every week. Today, we come with a question from Danielle from Vancouver, BC, about finished options for our touchless faucets and soap dispensers.
I'll be glad to help Danielle from Vancouver and tell you a little bit about the type of finishes Stern has to offer. So we have 7 different types of finishes for all our line of products, including chrome-plated, stainless steel 316, PVD brushed nickel, PVD antique bronze, PVD copper, gunmetal, and matte black.
Now, Claudio, we also have options to customize too, right? Like we had with one of our latest projects.
Yeah, in a case-by-case basis, we can customize customer needs, developing products with special finishes.
Thanks, Claudio, for that great information. And for anyone who is interested to see the exact finishes or any other questions, you can send a message to our LinkedIn or see the contact information below. Let us know how we did and if you like this style of content. Thank you for everyone for viewing today. Making commercial sanitary fixtures, Sleek with Stern.